Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a discriminant. What is a discriminant? What does it mean to plug and chug when given an equation, plug and chug for a discriminant? The discriminant for this equation, 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That's the standard form that we're looking for. And so I can say that the discriminant, or I'm sorry, this all comes back to what we call the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is this, and I like to sing it to help you remember. So I'm going to sing it. Here goes. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, that's it. That's what the quadratic formula is. And this part of it, which I will write in red, let's make that red a little smaller. B squared minus 4ac, that part right there is what's called the discriminant. And so the discriminant for this, b squared minus 4ac, or if you prefer, b squared minus 4ac. Well, first I need to know, well, hey, what's b? Well, remember, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus come on, pen. My pen stopped working. Come on, pen. There we go. Okay. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And so my a value is 3. A for this equation is equal to 3. B is equal to negative 2. And C is equal to negative 1. Let's highlight those. So A is 3. A equals 3. B is negative 2. That's B is negative 2. And C is negative 1. So C equals negative 1. And that's the values we're going to plug into this. So it's really not hard. That's what that plug-in part means. So B, I'm just going to put something squared. That's where I'm going to put my B. And since B is negative 2, I'm going to put negative 2 there. Minus 4 times A times C. It's 4AC is 4 times A times C. And I said 4 times A, which is 3, and C, which is negative 1. So at this point, you have to be careful to follow the order of operations. If you have a really hard time with order of operations, you also can just put this in your calculator and get the value, and that's okay. But to use the order of operations, I would say first what I do is the exponent. So negative 2 times negative 2 squared is a positive 4. And then I have minus, and I've got 4 times 3 is 12 times the negative 1 over here. And that's 4. See, now here, students, what often they want to do is they want to take 4 minus 12 and subtract 4 minus 12. No, you got to multiply here first. Multiply comes before subtract. So I've got 4, and then negative 12 times a negative 1 is a positive 12. And then 4 plus 12 is 16. And that's why the value here of the discriminant is 16. All right. Thanks for watching. Practice, practice, practice. You got this.